Welcome. In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you how to set up face unlock on your tablet in case your facial recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So first let's go to settings and let's find biometrics and password. Go to face recognition and enter your password to confirm. Then, before we add a new face model, let's remove the old ones. And before we proceed, use a dry towel to wipe the surface of your frontal camera carefully, just to make sure that you can clearly see your face in the camera. And for the same reason, also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly. And then, once you make sure of that, click Add Face, click Get Started, and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Then click OK once it's complete. And just to make sure everything works well, make sure that your tablet is up to date. So go back to Settings, go to System and Updates, open Software Update, click Check for Updates, make sure that you are connected to the internet in the meanwhile. Okay, and if you have any updates, then install them and restart your tablet. If you don't have any, restart your tablet just to make sure that everything works well this time and the changes are applied. So hold down the power button, then select Restart, Confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. Then enter your PIN code for the first time, because you cannot unlock your tablet using facial recognition after you restart it. So then put your device on a lock screen and look directly at the camera, and this way you will unlock it. And as you can see, everything works well for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.